Keeps my edge.
The original 5 precincts seemed so vast when they were first surveyed. No way to travel but on foot. Such a long way then.
It's a long way this morning.
We've become aware of a rise in power use citywide.
If the pulse reports are showing pinprick surges, my guess is it's tap joints.
Tap joints? Why?
A lot of new hobbyists transmitting codes takes a lot of juice. Their batteries only last so long, so they're pulling off city wiring.
Wasting electricity, and for what?
Off-market commerce. Words of love and yearning, you know? We're social animals.
Winter is soon upon us. Squandered electricity now means a weak battery tower goes dead in a snowstorm, and out go the heat coils at midnight, and we freeze to death in our sleep.
Right, yes. Gruesome ways to go, yes.
We need a sense of scale, Mr. Carr. How many selfish scofflaws are tapping away our future? We'll deal with who these people are later. I envy you your run home.
Lafong, what are you working on?
Check this out. A guy out in Beacon 1 was digging around and found a few of these. A case of photo plates 80 years old.
Well, that's nice, but that's the past and here's today. Give me 700 words on the dangers of home electrical devices. Off-market lamps, noodle pots, anything that plugs in and uses juice. And if you can, play up the dangers and the waste angle.
Dangers and waste. Got it.
A treasured customer, Mrs.
Emerson.
On the tip of my tongue.
The lining of my husband's jacket needs attention. The work was done by your Mr. Jacobs?
He's in the back. One moment. Can I help you?
The weather is not clear, Mr. Jacobs.
Tell me why.
That's your job. Your eyes and ears belong to the city. But have you reported any trouble of late?
No, things have been quiet.
Losses of power, concentrations of waste in my own grid. And I find out after evidence reaches the AMP. A grid operative as skilled as you should be an advantage in such matters. I have to be brusque. The bond you and I share allows it. And the work we do demands it.
All right, I'll look into it.
Where does Montalban get his textiles? Is he above board?
Yes, through the local guild. The dyes, too.
Offer my compliments. These surge reports are not yet actionable for the AMP.
So, it's up to us. My GO is on the clock.
As is mine. These wireless transmissions of code may be a virus difficult to curb.
If we could bury our babies, what can't we do?